Mwaka-ini wa 1932 niguo mutitu wa Ngong waiyukirwo ni ruhonge rwa kuramata mutitu KFS na wari makiria ma eka 7,000 indi umuthi uyu mutitu uyu uri thi wa eka 1,000. Mugunda uyu unyihite ni undu wa ciiko cia aikari kwigwatira migunda ino na njira cia ngungo, no riu thirikari kugerera minista wa maria maturigiceirie Keria Kotobiko ni heanite mukana muhiu kuri aria makoretwo makigwatira mugunda uyu makirirwo riu mabatie ni guthama na kwaga uguo ni maguthamio ni thirikari.
A number of those plots have been built on. You have areas that have high apartments, estate, business premises, and so on and so forth. But a number of them also have not been built up. But people have in their custody what they claim as title deeds.
Kwiriga kwa eka 6,000 iria cigwatirwo na njira cia ngungo cikwambiriria ica ikuhi. Tobiko akiuga kuri aria mekurega kuma mugunda-ini uyu wa mutitu makwirigirwo thiini na thutha ucio nyamu cia githaka ni gukorwo ikirekererio.
So we will proceed immediately to start fencing. And we will fence you in. Right? We'll fence you in. So you better start doing what is the honorable thing. Don't wait for us to fence you in. So we have done that. Release the animals.
Na thutha wa mutitu uyu kurikia kwirigwo ni ugukorwo ukinyitana na runyanjara rwa nyamu rwa Nairobi.
To provide a linkage, a connection between the Nairobi National Park, which is under severe stress, with this forest. Once we have reclaimed the entire of the land that has been grabbed, fenced it, using the most sophisticated fencing material and wildlife proof, then open up that area for wildlife, so that animals from National Park can get in and get out.
Thibitari wa St Mary's jera ya atumia ya Lang'ata nyumba ya Bomas of Kenya ni imweceire igukorwo ikihutio gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Lang'ata indi kaburi ka Lang'ata gatigukorwo gakihutio.
We know who anyway, although a number of them are using front companies, but we know who and they know themselves better. So we're not going to spend our time and really saying, please bring back the title.
Thirikari ni ikoretwo igicokia migunda ya muingi iria ikoretwo yoyetwo ni turia nime ta mugunda wa City Park uria wari wa eka 90 indi kwa ihinda riri ni wa eka 63, mugunda wa Mishuki Park na mugunda wa mutitu wa Mao uria aikari mathiaga nambere na kurutururwo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritora kwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.
I was wondering how the